Are you interested in acrylic shields for your panel system for your office, but not sure how to measure it for the proper fit? Today we're going to show you how. Hi, Bill Knighton with Right Angle. It's important to get the correct measurements of your cubicle system to make sure your gapless acrylic shields fit properly. Gapless installations prevent vertical and horizontal gapping, maximizing your protection from aerosols and droplets. In this video, we will walk you through exactly how to gather the key information you will need to provide our team. With this, we will be able to quickly and efficiently provide you a quote and a configuration for your office space. Step 1. Provide a sketch or drawing of the workspace configuration. This can be a simple hand-drawn sketch or a CAD drawing. For more complicated setups, we recommend using a CAD file. We've developed a form to help guide you through this process. You'll find the link to the form in the video description and on our website. Step 2. Physically measure the cubicle system. First, measure the spine or overall length of the unit. Indicate this length on your sketch or drawing. Next, measure the panel width. Indicate this width on your sketch or drawing. Then measure the depth of the wing panel. This measurement should be from where the wing panel meets the spine to the end of the panel. Indicate this depth on your sketch or drawing. You may have a different configuration for your panel system, in which case we will need additional measurements. For example, you may also have an end panel. Measure the end panel from where it meets the wing panel to the opposite end, similar to how you measured the wing panel. Indicate the measurements in your sketch or drawing. Make sure to include measurements for all panels that are different sizes. Step 3. Include any obstructions in your drawing that will interfere with the panel mounting. When installing a panel system, we typically utilize either our cubicle panel mounting bracket, which fits panels from 1 3/4 of an inch to just about 3.5 inches, or our mini version, which fits panels from 3/4 of an inch to 1 3/4 of an inch. We need to know if there are any obstructions that will prevent installation of the panel mounting brackets. For example, additional shelving, cabinets, or bins, electrical post, or glass inset panels. Note the locations and measurements. We offer an adhesive mount bracket that will be used in situations like these. Step 4. Consider additional panel options. There are some additional options to consider to ensure that you receive an accurate quote on your gapless acrylic shield system. Standard versus recessed panels. You can choose between standard and recessed panels, which determines how much of a horizontal gap there will be at the bottom of the panel. When utilizing our mounting brackets, custom recessed panels nearly eliminate the bottom gap. Panel height. It's important to consider what height you would like your panels, as this will affect the cost. Typical mounted panel heights are 12, 16, and 24 inches. However, we can customize any height up to 30 inches tall. Top caps. We offer optional top caps that help improve stability and maintain alignment of the panels. Top caps come in 5 standard shapes: Y top caps, straight top caps, X top caps, L top caps, and T top caps. Step 5. Send your drawings to orders@raproducts.com. Make sure to include the following information: overall length, the spine of the system from end to end, panel width, wing panel depth from the spine to the end of the panel, additional panel measurements such as an end panel, any obstructions such as bins or shelves that might conflict with the mounting brackets, additional options, standard versus recessed panels, top caps, and panel height. If your cubicle system has a more complicated design, it would be best to send a CAD drawing. We can accept most files. Use the form linked in the description to ensure you included all of the appropriate information. Our customer service team will confirm receipt of your email within 1 business day. When all necessary information has been provided, we will work with you to offer the best price on your gapless acrylic shield system. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. And if you need any other information, please contact us at raproducts.com. Thank you for watching.